Alright, they're gonna be my first video for my build on my 96 Impala SS. I had about maybe a couple months. I ain't do too much to it, but let me show you right quick. Currently, now let me show the outside right quick. Let me get on the outside. Currently everything original. Got it from a dude out of South Carolina. Kept it pretty much pristine, but I do drive it. It got small imperfections, stuff like that I gotta fix. I'm gonna get it repainted, fix like these chips and stuff like that. But like I said, everything pretty much original. Got to get different carpets for it. How you doing? Got to get different carpets for it. Everything's still mint though. Probably do got to figure out how to fix this sun damage on this dash, stuff like that. Probably gonna get at least some tint. I ain't really do too much to it yet though. I don't think I really did. Put a system in it, put 212s in there, put a dash unit in there. When I got it, it had probably 22K. I think currently I'm sitting at 33. That's what I'm sitting at about right now. So that's what I'm probably gonna do. But nothing too crazy though. Probably want to put some 24-inch rims on it, but you know, the replica rims I already have on there. But I can show you right quick. Currently, I don't know if you see, I'm sitting at, I'm finna hit 34K. Do got to check engine light, but it ain't really too serious. Just got a leak somewhere for one of the air hoses, the way to just drive out of the way. But I can pop the trunk for you right quick. Show y'all the custom box that I have in there. Ain't gonna be nothing too serious, but just something slight. Just a I think some P2s over there by Rockford, but that's pretty much about it. I do want to sometime to clean this carpet. I might replace this whole carpet because you do got like some slight stains. I'm gonna try to pull it out at first, but if not, I'm just gonna replace the carpet. But it's everything mint, everything clean. Got to go around and at least give it a good paint correction, slight paint correction. But right now, it's my baby. Say I want to put a bigger motor in it, but I ain't gonna do it just yet. So probably gonna put, once this motor run out, cause I think he said they do got original LT1 in it. So once that motor go out, I have my fun with that. I'll probably throw like a L3 in there, something like that. But for right now, that's all I'm gonna do. Cause I ain't gonna do nothing too crazy. But for now, this is my first video, and I'll take y'all along for the journey.